What one egg a day really does to your body. Welcome to Healthy Trend. Today we're looking at something simple that many people eat every day, one egg. And everything you're about to hear is based on clear, well-established scientific findings from professional nutrition researchers. Let's get right into it. The real value of one egg. When you look at an egg, it seems small, but inside it is a compact bundle of nutrients that support almost every part of your body. One egg gives your body over 6 grams of complete protein and a balanced combination of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, several B vitamins, selenium, phosphorus, and most importantly, choline, which strongly supports your brain and liver. Instead of listing every number, here's the simple truth. One egg delivers a surprisingly powerful dose of nourishment for something so light and affordable. Why daily eggs support your body. 1. Daily protein for strength and repair. Your body needs amino acids every day. The protein in one egg is complete, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your muscles and tissues require. Eating one egg each day helps your body repair, maintain strength, and support healthier aging. 2. A strong boost for your brain. Eggs are one of the best natural sources of choline. This nutrient acts like fuel for your brain cells, helping with memory, focus, mood regulation, and long-term cognitive health. Many people don't get enough choline, so a single egg becomes a simple daily support for your brain. 3. Long-term eye protection. Inside the yolk are 2 antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. These protect your eyes from damage caused by light exposure and aging. Eating eggs regularly helps build up a natural shield inside your eyes. 4. Stronger immunity and cell protection. Vitamin A and selenium in eggs help your body defend itself at the cellular level. This boosts immunity, supports healing, and reduces damage from everyday stress on your body. What happens to your cholesterol if you eat one egg a day? This is the part many people worry about. One egg contains around 186 milligrams of cholesterol, mostly in the yolk. But scientific studies show something surprising. For most healthy people, this does not lead to harmful increases in blood cholesterol. Here's what actually happens. Your liver naturally produces cholesterol. When you eat an egg, the liver simply produces less. This keeps your total cholesterol balanced. The typical effect of one egg a day, LDL, or bad cholesterol, stays the same or rises only slightly. HDL, or good cholesterol, often increases by 5 to 10%. This shift improves the overall cholesterol ratio, meaning the balance actually becomes healthier for many people. For most adults, one egg per day is safe. Only people with specific severe cholesterol conditions should follow personalized medical advice. More benefits you get from a daily egg. 1. Natural energy that lasts. The mix of protein and healthy fats slows down digestion gently. This gives you steady energy without sudden hunger spikes. 2. Healthier skin and hair. Vitamins A and E, along with supportive B vitamins, help your skin renew more smoothly and support stronger, healthier hair. 3. Supports better hormone and bone health. Eggs contain small but meaningful amounts of vitamin D and K2. These work together to maintain bone density and support proper hormone activity. 4. Helps maintain a healthy weight. Eggs keep you full longer, reduce unnecessary snacking, and support steady energy, helping weight control without any strict diet. Why a one egg a day is a smart daily habit. For such a small food, the impact is surprisingly large. You get protein, brain support, immune protection, antioxidants, eye health benefits, and better cholesterol balance in a single natural package. No supplements, no processed foods, just one egg. Eating one egg every day is a simple habit backed by solid scientific evidence. It nourishes your muscles, brain, eyes, skin, and immune system while supporting a healthy cholesterol balance for most people. If you want a small daily habit that delivers real benefits and fits into any lifestyle, one egg a day is one of the most effective choices you can make. Thank you for watching Healthy Trend. Stay informed, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.